Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. Thank you for being here. And today I have an Ipsy haul from I shopped their drop shop not once but twice, and I even might have duplicated a couple of items. But anyway, I got some really exciting stuff, and I am going to share my first order, and then I think I'm gonna come back tomorrow to share a second order of beauty stuff. So I'll see how I go. I'll see how much time we have and if I want to show them all together. I just don't like my videos to be too long. So anyway, let's just get started and we'll see what we got. Okay, friends, first of all, I want to thank you for being here. I appreciate your support so much, and you can support my channel by hitting the like button, subscribing, leaving me a comment. All those things are so appreciated, and I do reply to your comments. So anyway, thank you for that. And so the first thing I'm going to get to, I don't know if I'm going to show you the most exciting thing first or wait till last. Anticipation. Okay, I guess we're getting to it last. So in here I'm just telling you, Ipsy's been killing it lately, honestly, in my opinion. They just, I don't know, they've just been doing really well. I love some of the brands they've been getting, brands that I've been trying that I have, you know, can't afford at Sephora or whatever, and I'm getting like for instance, the Mario foundation that I absolutely love. I was able to pick that up and drop in add-ons for like $18, but that's like half of what the normal price is. So anyway, there's just things that they've been putting out. They've been putting out a lot of Huda Beauty stuff, which I love Huda Beauty right now. So anyway, I just kind of, that's kind of it. So this one, I do pick up like, they have a lot of $3 items, and sometimes I'll pick up some of those. And there's some things, if they're good enough, there are things I can give to friends or put in my little, I do my little Ipsy bags, or, you know, just a tiny bag with some products in it for friends and stuff. So I'm going to start with my low end items first. And I'm going to pull this up here so I can see. I don't know if it shows the prices or not. It's not showing me the individual prices. So, anyway, but I know this was a $3 item. This is from Thread Beauty, and this is it's a Face It multi-use complexion stick. It's a medium deep coral. That's weird. Kind of dark, but this is like a bronzing stick. I love bronzing, this kind of bronzing applicator. So anyway, there's that for $3. The next $3 or cheap item, I don't know if this was exactly $3 or not, but it was pretty cheap. But this is the Lucky Chick multi-stick lip and cheek, and this is in the color Lucky Life. We'll see what that is. So it looks like it's kind of got a two-toned effect. You see that? It's just kind of a mauve color. Can be used on lips or cheeks. And this is right down my line too. And like I said, I love these kind of products, these applicator, the ones that the sticks. So I love that. I also got from Tarte, and this is the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Energy. I have not had this blush, but I just think that it's so pretty. It's just got the pink swirl. I haven't had one with this lid. I've been wanting this blush for a long time. And so when I saw that they had it, I picked it up. It's just right in my color. It's kind of a fuchsia color, but it's a color I love. I love that it's long wearing. The Amazonian Clay is really good. It wears real long and whatnot. So I was able to pick that up for a pretty good price. And one of my all-time favorite products, the Byro Tea Time This is the, I think it's the facial oil, or did I get a different? Ebony Tea, let's see. Peony Tea Glow Oil. So this right here, I'm already gone through 1.5 bottles of it. I just picked this up. I think I'm going to add both of these together. And so I did actually pick up 2. So this price dropped. It was the cheapest I'd ever seen it at 15. I think I might have paid 18 for one and 15 for the other, if I'm correct. I love this product. It's got a really high value on it. I'm not sure exactly what the value is, but it's definitely worth the money to me. So it's such a pretty bottle, and the oil, there's just something about it, the botanics in it and stuff. It's just really, really nice. Face oil, I put this on after my skincare and my moisturizer every day, underneath my primer and makeup. So anyway, now I'm back stocked. I've got plenty. So I'm gonna, anyway, I actually bought, I think I gave one of these away one time too to a friend. But anyway, so I had those, and then another thing I have in here is I happened to get another, not realizing, I did know it, the Biro, but I didn't realize I got 2 lucky chicks. They gave me free with this order. They gave me a Saturday Skin. This is a Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. I love vitamin C products, so I have a lot of sleep stuff right now to try, but this is one I might, you know, I'll probably use it. But anyway, there's that. Still saving the big one. Okay, so I've got a few more items in here. And got some really good name brands in here. Okay, so from Yenza Beauty, I have it's a Luxe lip oil that I got. I love lip oils. This was a pretty good buy. I don't need lip oil. I have a lot. I don't really need it, but I just like the look of this one. It's kind of got a pink, a tint, whatever. So I love lip oil. So I got that. And then I got, I have this palette. I don't know why I bought it. I think it was just a really good buy. It might have been like $6 or something. I don't know. But this is the Hot Mama. It was her collab with Ofra, and it's a palette. It's a great palette. I've used it. I thought since it was such a good buy, I would get it and I could gift it. But let me see here. So open this up and we'll see what it's all about. Okay, it's the Mini Mix Palette, Unconditional. It's got eyeshadows, blush, bronzer, highlighter. It's got a variety of, it's got a green and a purple, and then the other ones are pretty neutrals colors for the eyeshadows up here. So anyway, there's that. And then I got another headband and wristband beauty set. I like the wristbands for when I wash my face, and I have one of these headbands that I use sometimes in the filming room, and then I kind of wanted one in where I wash my face at night. So anyway, got that set. I really like that. That was pretty inexpensive too, so that was fun. And then I have Anastasia Beverly Hills and Natasha Denona coming up here. The Anastasia Beverly Hills. This one is just the brow definer. I've used this before. It's in taupe. I love her brow stuff is fantastic. Benefit's always kind of been my favorite, but I think I might like this even more. But anyway, here is, I like it because it's got this kind of a tip. I don't know if you can see it. coming up. For some reason it looks kind of white on screen. It's not. It's like a taupe color, but I think the light shining on it's making it look that way. So it just has the color and the taupe and then the brush. So I'm really excited about that. Once again, this was like $6 or under, I know. So there's that. Then they have this little tiny Natasha Denona blush and highlight palette. I thought it was so cute. Once again, the price got me, and it's beautiful. It's beautiful packaging. It's in this pink kind of iridescent little case, and that's what it's like inside. The white is kind of a it's kind of a glittery. I don't know, the highlighter. It's not looking very It's definitely a glitter. I don't know if you can see that glitter right here. And then let's do the blush here. Right underneath it. Okay, these are buildable. They're real light, but they look, anyway, it looks like it would make a really pretty highlight. So I'm excited about that. I stuck my fingers in it. I own it. So I will be using that. So that is kind of my haul, except for the big thing that I was saving. And this is crazy, but this was valued at over $300. And I've used Luxie. It's a brush set. It's a 30-piece Luxie brush set. I've used Luxie brushes, love them. I've used them for years. And when I saw this together in a set, and it was only $29.99 for all of these brushes. It comes in a beautiful, beautiful case. And it'd be great for a makeup artist, which I'm my own makeup artist, but anyway, so here's all the brushes. Here's eye ones and face ones. Then we've got more of the same, or different. You know, they're all different. But anyway, I am so excited. I love the rose gold in these, and I do use, like I said, I do use these. A lot of my brushes are Luxies, because I have bought smaller sets and stuff before, but it's just beautiful, beautiful brush. Really great eye brushes. Have about everything you'd want in a brush. So, and I don't think they have this anymore. I think they sold out. It's a really good buy. So I'm kind of excited about this. I don't absolutely need brushes, but when I saw this deal and I knew the quality of these, because I've literally been using Luxie brushes for years and they're still like new. So anyway, it sold me. So there's my prize. There's my big thing. So like I said, this is worth over $300. I got a smoking deal on it. So I'm excited about that. The rose gold collection. So that's it. I think this Natasha Denona is pretty exciting. I love the face oil, the Bio Tea Time. Anyway, I'm excited about the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush. Love the Anastasia Brow. Got my fun little gifts to give out. These little sticks. Bronzer and blush, lip oil. Anyway, so all these things. So I'm really excited. And I, you know, like I paid less than half of what, on all these things, I paid less than half of what the value of this is. By far less than half. So anyway, I'm excited. I'm excited about what I got. Let me know what you think. Have you used Luxie brushes? I'm just curious if you have and if you like them. If you've used any of these other products, let me know. Has anyone used the face oil, this by Row? Let me know if you like it. I don't know. I love it. It's one of my favorite skincare products. So anyway, that's it for today. So thank you guys for being here. I appreciate your support. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.